I love noodles, so I can only imagine how much more excited kids must get when they see it in their tiffin box. So today's recipe is a kid-friendly peanut butter sauce noodles. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you make it at home easy. We're going to start first by making the peanut butter sauce. For that I require a blender. We're going to first put creamy peanut butter, which is full of protein. Then we're going to add an onion. Some vegetable oil. And dried basil. And now I'm going to blend it into a thin sauce. The sauce is a good consistency. If your sauce has thickened, you can always add some water to loosen it up. So I'm going to set this aside and start grilling the vegetables. Just some vegetable oil. And to this, I'm going to add the aromatics, ginger, garlic, and the white part of this spring onion. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes before we add the rest of the vegetables. It's time to add the vegetables, bell peppers, mushrooms, and paneer cubes. So I'm going to add the salt. You want to be easy on the salt, because your sauce has peanut butter, which most likely has salt, and there's soya sauce as well. Now it's time to add the spinach, again, the spinach will wilt down, spring onions, the green part, some fresh basil, and some fresh coriander. Just a little bit. We'll add the rest as garnish. Now it's time to add the peanut butter sauce. I want to combine it into the vegetables so that each part gets the peanut butter flavor. So now we're going to toss the noodles in. These are boiled egg noodles. You can use Hakka noodles. You can use vermicelli as well. So I'm going to let that toss into the sauce. Until then, I'm going to clear up here. So ready to plate. Switch off the heat and bring out the tiffin box. Gonna give a little garnish. Some torn up basil leaves. Some fresh coriander. And lots of cut spring onions. I'm pairing it with some freshly cut apple slices, and it's a perfect tiffin lunchbox. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more such tiffin recipes. See you soon.